as Varun sir said, adding CMA against your name, it gives you a international exposure as well. People can connect with you. They know that you know something in finance, if not all. That definitely gives you a boost. And I think since my career has just begun, it has just been 10 years. I'm pretty sure in the long run, it would help me getting promotions and do some things like that. And then if any point in time, I would think that, enhancing my knowledge, I would further go with CFA, CPA courses like that. My name is Ashish Verma. I am a B.Tech and I have like 10 and a half years of experience into ERP applications and digital transformations because I come from the technical background and I hadn't studied commerce till now. And my colleagues were happy as well. I mean, they were related, because we wanted in my team of the entire technical experts, they wanted to have somebody talking to business and understand financial aspect of that. They always wanted that. And being in the team for two years, the financial terms were jargons to us, the entire team. It was really nice. And my manager encouraged me through the entire journey. So I think, after passing the CMA, they consider me as an asset to the team, considering that I have knowledge of both technology and finance. Given the quantity of the data in the CMA curriculum, you have to have some sort of a plan and some logic built in so that you can easily understand and you can remember that as well. So mnemonics is something which is really nice, and I think it should be a patent to Varun sir's videos so that nobody copies it, and they were amazing. The highlights that have been provided in the LMS, they cover it all. Right. So if anybody who's looking, I mean, the guy like me, I see a lot of people who are BCom, BBA, and going into the CMA. It makes sense to them. At least they have a background to it. But a guy like me who's coming from the entire technical background with programming in Java and SQL, I think, if I understand it, anybody could do it because they start from the very zero level and goes to the highest level above. So that was pretty nice. I solved all the MCQs at least twice. But the thing is, if you go through the videos and if you have gone through the questions as well, I don't think the mock exams or even the real exam would worry you too much. CMA matlab miles.